Are we gonna do it some more? Maybe? I don't know. I'm grabbing my toes right now. I know. We just reach for everything. Here, Chaka. Well, we were clapping our hands a lot. Banana plum grape with oatmeal. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Ugh. Oh, that's a big bite. It's too big of a bite. There we go, pumpkin. We're gonna clap our hands. Yeah. There we go. Yay! Clap our hands. Yeah! That's right. Yay! You want some more, please? Okay, we'll feed you more. I just wanted to get you clapping your hands. There you go again. Clap your hands. Yay! Hi, sweetheart. Bye-bye.